we are going to be doing a whole house clean with me. And this is real, y'all. It is a mess in here. I'm fixing to walk y'all around and show you. It is spring break week, and so I've been running around a lot and we have not kept the house clean. So yeah, real life. So let's get all this cleaned up. Okay, y'all. Look at that. What is that? Candy wrappers? Clothes. Blankets. There's a bowl. Yeah, real life, y'all. Real. This is real life dirty house. And then on the back porch, there's dirty clothes from getting muddy. And there's Chloe. How's her doing?
I have 6-inch cords. Yeah, it feels so good. It's like 80 degrees.
Hey, Chloe. How's you doing? She said, just rub my belly. Just rub my belly. She's such a good girl. Okay, now in here, the kitchen isn't too terribly bad. I need to put those dishes up. I have a little bit of dishes here. This will be in Friday's What's for Dinner. I need to empty the dishwasher. I need to sweep it or vacuum sweep, whatever. And then in here, the laundry room. Let me turn on the light. That is clean clothes. That is clean clothes. And that is clean clothes. But we have a dirty clothes there. But yeah, we need to do some more laundry. But anyways, that's kind of what is on my agenda. I may get into my room and stuff and show y'all, but I definitely want to clean in here. Also in the kids' bathroom, because there's some dirty clothes and stuff like that. So let's get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, we are starting out in the living room. I'm just going to start picking up everything and here, take this.
No, hang on, that's for this.
Holy smokes. I knocked the paint off right there.
Oh my gosh, Mom.
Oh my God.
Is it a baseball person now?
No. So yeah, y'all, I hit the ceiling with a bag of candy when I tried to throw it to Adrian. So I'm shooing the kids out so that I can finish picking up in here. And so I'm going to pick up and then get started on dusting. So am I the only one, or do y'all have tons of shoes that pile up in your living room? I just feel like our shoes are just reproducing or something. It's crazy. This is my favorite cleaner, y'all. The Method Wood for Good cleaner. When I'm dusting, I love to use this cleaner. And so here's our little TV stand that we had redone, and I love this little area. I'm not the best at decorating it, but I think it looks pretty good.
So every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Y'all, I dusted all of that, and then I came over here and dusted all of this, and somehow was not recording. So I'm sorry, y'all. I did dust all this. I did dust all that, but somehow I must have lost it. Okay, y'all, you're in for a laugh right here, okay? I'm cleaning up our coffee table, and it has this little part that pops up you can use as a table or a desk, and all of a sudden it did not want to stay down. I was so frustrated. You'll see in a minute what I do, and you'll see my son coming to try to help me.
We are close, can you feel it?
It keeps popping up. I'm mad.
Yeah.
I moved that already and it didn't make a difference. It was just fine.
Who can say what's wrong or right? We're
How are you gonna be able to see it? How are you gonna be able to see?
But I can see. So what happens is don't pinch your back.
Wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Y'all, it finally shut, and I really don't even know what we did. We kept messing with it, and it finally stayed closed. We have new hinges that my husband needs to replace on there that we ordered from Ashley Furniture. He just hasn't done it yet, so we make it work.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby,
Okay, y'all, this is my most favorite area of the house, my little coffee/tea bar. I have people that ask me, what are all these little containers? Those are my Herbalife teas, and then the other container that you'll see in a minute is full of flavorings that I put into the teas. And this is like my little favorite area of my house.
baby, we should start living now.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better.
And y'all, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and like my video. I hit 3,500 subscribers, y'all. I am still in shock. I never ever thought I would hit that point. So I appreciate everybody who watches my videos.
I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel.
And y'all, if you're new to my channel, I have What's for Dinner videos that I post every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Central Time. I try to post a grocery haul if I have one. Sometimes it's every other week on those. And then I'll throw in a cleaning video or some other type of video if I'm able to. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 3 kids. They are all in school, but I do stay home and take care of the house while they're in school, cook all the meals, do all the cleaning and cooking and all of that kind of stuff. And my husband is a truck driver, so he's gone a lot. He's not an over-the-road trucker, so he is home several times a week, you know, but he will be gone at times for several days. So anyways, just thought I'd give y'all a little background on who I am.
I get unstable. I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable. In my bed, all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable. In my bed, all alone. Never know when you're home. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable. You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't.
Okay, y'all, another thing I wanted to tell y'all is I do have an Instagram channel, or I don't know if you call it channel, Instagram page. It's Kimsfarmhouselife, and I do post on my stories daily. Lately, I haven't been doing as much since the kids have been home every day and we've been doing homeschool, but for the most part, I do get on there and I share a lot of behind the scenes, you know. So if you're not following me, go over there and follow me. I'd love for you to join my little Instagram family.
Rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Okay, y'all, you see that I'm put up blah, 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 blah. I cannot speak, but I'm tired of editing that out. So I'm going to leave it real life, y'all, real life. Once again, I say real life. But anyways, I don't like doing dishes. I feel like I do dishes all the time. I need to teach my kids to do dishes more often. Now, Courtney did the other day help me with dishes, so that made me feel real good. But I have certain things that I don't put in the dishwasher, so I have to hand wash those. So that's what I'm doing now, trying to get all these dishes done, which is an ever growing thing. Dishes and laundry seems like they're always there, and I use paper plates a lot because, y'all, I just really hate doing dishes.
You feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. We can never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? When you're moving your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how
I thought I would let y'all know what type of vacuum I have. It is a rainbow vacuum. It uses water instead of bags. So there's that little canister that I drag around, and it has water in the bottom of it, and everything is sucked up and caught into that little thing of water, all the dirt and everything. And I'm going to show you at the end how how nasty it was. But yeah, I like this vacuum. I just hate dragging it around.
you know that you move
y'all, my rainbow vacuum came with so many different attachments. This one, I cannot remember what it's even called, but it is for cleaning your floors. It sprays, you have a little thing that you press a button, it sprays water out of the nozzle down there, and then there's a brush on the bottom of that attachment that kind of scrubs, and then it sucks up the water and picks up all the nasty stuff. But I feel like it was more trouble than it was worth. It would have been easier to just sweep or vacuum the floor and then mop it, because this just took way longer, and it wasn't, no, I didn't like it.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Look at all of this that it vacuumed up. Gross, y'all. Y'all, since I really disliked that attachment for my vacuum, I just decided to clean the floors in here with a little, I don't even know what you call it, y'all, I'm sorry. It's for cleaning like wood and laminate floors. I have like a pad on it, and what I use is I just have a spray bottle with some water and some Fabuloso, I think is how you pronounce it, the lemon scented Fabuloso, and I just spray it on the floor, and then I use this and just clean it, and then you throw the attachment, the little pad, into the washer and wash it. And so that's what I decided to do, because yeah, that attachment for my rainbow, now I know why I haven't used it but one time, way back when I first got it many years ago. So it's probably gonna stay in the box. Well, y'all, this video is just about done. I'm sorry, I meant to film and show y'all everything all clean, and I forgot. I'm so sorry. But I finished up with everything, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all have any videos that you would like to see me do, please leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I'll be looking forward to seeing y'all on Friday. Thank you.